go ahead and call Daddy Papa. Okay, he waiting. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. Hairvivi has a textured wig. Oh, but before I get into this easy breezy glueless wig install, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Hairvivi. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Y'all can see the smile forming on my face already, because look at this. Hairvivi got the kinky? Yeah.
I never knew.
Y'all know I've been showcasing wigs from Hairvivi for a while now, and I'm always semi-complaining about they don't have texture. They had a little yak, but it was still kind of silky. They never told me they had a kinky until recently. They made sure to drop down in my comment section to let it be known that we got the kinky. I don't know how long they had it, but listen, they got it. And y'all, when I say this wig feels like butter, I mean soft, and the hair smells good. They don't fool around with the stank. Before you cut the tag off, make sure it's everything that you want. If something is wrong, contact them before you cut the tag off. They did put some side combs in my packaging, but there's no place to put them. Like, it's not a hook, so you gotta sew them in yourself if you want those. But you know, I don't want those. It does come with the piano keys elastic band. There's 2 slots. So if you want to move the elastic band up, you can do that. It's also adjustable, as well as the adjustable straps in the back with the comfort nape grip around the neck as well. I'm gonna put the adjustable straps on the first hook just to make sure they're not gonna be, you know, flapping around in the back of my head. I am gonna tint my lace with my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. It looks like the hairline has those baby hairs on it. I tried the baby hairline a couple months ago. The newborn hairline, that's what it was. I feel like they have that on this unit as well. So let me just plop this over my head like so. Oh wait, let me bring my cap back a little bit, because I'm gonna bring my forehead down today. Come on, wig, don't upset me. Hold up, what's going on here? There we go. Do y'all see that? Okay. And I ain't talking about the lace, I'm talking about the wig. You can see my cap in there. Hold up, let me bring that back a little bit. Now let's move this back down, because y'all know I don't do no bald cap. So now Hairvivi hairlines are normally square, as you can see. But I'm gonna try to use the hairline as it is. I don't wanna pluck or cut out anything. Let me clip this up in the back. We almost done. Make sure it's where I want it to be. Not where I want it? I believe so. Why am I trying to do this in the dark? Y'all know I can't see nothing. I don't want to cut too close to the hairline. I want to keep my newborn hairline, so be careful. Y'all have seen me use my razor plenty of times, but when it comes to precision cuts, use your scissors. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse along the hairline before I wrap it down. Remember, the mousse is a mold, not a hold. So if you move your wig, it will lift. One thing Hairvivi does not have is a band. I thought they gave me one before, but I know I don't have one right now, so. Hold up, get out of my face, get out of my face. Let's wrap it down, comb out the hair. I'm gonna use my blow dryer brush on high. I'm gonna brush out these crimps and kind of sleek it out a little bit more. I don't want it as puffy. Let me scooch back so y'all can see. Let me show you guys how it looks on the ends. They're a little scraggly. Not by much though. I'm just gonna trim that up. Hold up, hold up. Bring the hair down like this. Just gonna take my scissors and put some layers right here. The trick that I learned for adding layers in the front is kind of just opening and closing your scissors real fast and going down. So I want the layer to kind of start right here. Like that, right about here. That's all I'm gonna do because I don't wanna mess it up. So I'm gonna add a little bump on my ends. Let me get my curler. A high quality wig deserves a high quality iron. And I'm just gonna curl the hair, give it a little bump, work it down the hair like that. What is that, 4 curls? Bumpity bump bump, bumpity bump bump. Nice and simple. That's all I want. Push this back. Flatten that down. Let me take off the wrap. Ooh, do y'all see that hairline? I don't think I need to use contour today. I mean, I'll step in front of a window and check it out, but that newborn hairline is a vibe. Well, let me go ahead and do my makeup and then we gonna get out of here. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Do y'all see that hairline? Those newborn edges, the little short curly pieces, some of them are straight. It gives a very natural look to the hairline. Okay, Hairvivi. Even though the hairline is square on me, it still looks good. And guess what? She glueless all the way around my head. Now, as y'all see right here, I did take a little bit of my Eco Styler gel and tap it around the hairline. It doesn't glue it down, it just makes it a little more stiff around the hairline so they're not flapping in the wind as much. So y'all can see right here how it's kind of lifting a little bit, but initially they were going back and forth. So to keep the wig glueless, I just added a little weight to the lace with my gel, and that's how we sitting, okay? I ain't too much worried about it lifting in the wind though, because you know, nobody should be up in my face anyway. So clean, pre-plucked hairline, invisible HD lace, 13x6 largest parting space bars. The fake scalp is in my wig in case you need it. I'm pretty sure I have the Mocha, but if you don't want yours, you can take it out or ask them to take it out. That used to be an option. I don't know if it still is, but it used to be. Hey, listen, the birthday is starting off nice. Today is probably the day before my birthday, so you know, we celebrating a little early, but what better way than a kinky straight from Hairvivi? Tell me what's better. I love it here. Okay, now what I don't love is the price point. Okay, it's not the, you know, it's not the cheapest wig. They charge what they worth. And let me just say, I feel like Hairvivi is worth every single penny that they charge for their wigs. Period, dot. But if you've been here for a while, you already know what I'm gonna say. Shop in your budget or go ahead and call Daddy Papa. Okay, he waiting. You've been outside all summer. It's time to go in the house and sit down. Get that phone voice ready. He missed you, sis. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hairvivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.